Hello guys, everywhere is hot, so I decided to make myself a quick carrot ice cream, frozen carrot yogurt, cold milk, and some ice cubes. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. I will add in the carrot, the ice, the yogurt, and I will add in the milk. So now I'm going to crush it until it is properly smooth, guys. Everywhere is hot. This week is so hot, so I decided to make myself a very tasty, conservation free, sugar free, everything free, so you can make ice cream at the comfort of your house. Follow me for more amazing videos. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and be a member of the family. Check my channel out and see the videos that will be helpful to you. Cooking videos, health style, family lifestyle. I have all the videos in the channel. All my returnees, thank you for always returning to watch my videos. May the good Lord bless you. So guys, always pack things inside the freezer so that when you are hot, you can just make yourself a very nice and creamy ice cream. So now it is properly crushed. Look at that. Look at how creamy it is. Look at it, guys. And I had it straight away. It came out so delicious and so nice. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Enjoy.